in a lot of like, if you're taking like machine learning or any sort of predictive modeling, where you're taking a model, it's learning on a set of test data, and you want to make predictions, like for example, like COVID variants, or like you want to predict how a model will mutate. Ultimately, the model can only predict things in a computational sense, and you need to be able to provide for any sort of like documentation or publication or any sort of like successful project, you need to be able to provide what is called biological validation, meaning you're going to have some sort of healthcare professional look at the results of a model and say, yes, this makes sense, or yes, this is correct, or yes, the model is working correctly. Because if you have no validation from an actual healthcare professional or an actual biologist to provide biological validation, then your model has no ground truth to work off of. So that will require the incorporation of two, if you have a computational biology team, of a set of developers who are actually working on the model, and then maybe like a pathologist or an oncologist who is there to validate what the model is predicting. You have the two separate points at which people come in. The oncologist should not be working on the actual development of the model, because all, like more often than not, they will not like be able to contribute to what's going on. And alternatively, the developers who are working on implementing the model cannot provide biological validation most times,